I was wondering about your mama. Did she get that job she wanted? So that car that gave her problems. I'm just curious but her honest. I know you wonder why I've been crying, like I got ulterior motives. Though we didn't end this so good, but you know we had something so good.
What time did we get here?
We edited it out.
About 7:30.
It's about 7:30 and we were ready to get to bed. When we come here, we know the area pretty well. We used to live in Laguna, so we rent a house, and that way it's just easier because we end up getting into somewhere that feels more like a home, and you can put your stuff down, make a coffee, have tea, do laundry. I think when you have a baby and you're traveling and it's for work, it's really important because you just need to be able to do dishes and all of that stuff that, you know, they need to eat and all of that. So that's what we usually do. We've tried doing the whole hotel thing the last time we were here and it was really difficult. It just didn't end up working. So now we are in a house and it's so much better. We're gonna get our nails done today. And my side look. So we're gonna feel so cute. Yeah, you are. We're gonna get our nails done today, and then I was hoping to get a facial. I don't know if that's gonna happen. I am either gonna get a spray tan or I'm gonna tan myself. I only brought boots because whenever I pack now, I'm just thinking of him. I'm not really thinking of my stuff. So I forgot jeans. I need like sneakers or trainers, I need sandals, and I need to get another pair of leggings, but I don't know if I'll end up finding the ones I want. No, and in England too, it's like every Friday night you get an Indian and it's like cheap, so.
Carrying a video used to be.
Saturday.
No, Friday. So that's what we're gonna do today, just kind of run around, get errands done, and that way we usually take like an extra day that we just can relax and do a couple things, get ready, and that way it's just not such a crazy trip. It just makes it a little bit easier. Okay, so right now we are outside of Nina's, which is the Indian grocery store in Lake Forest, and I can remember where it was. That looks like it is just a grocery store, but it's not. It is something else, and I'll show you right now. So the great thing here, they have huge things of PG tips. Over here is like the absolute, I cannot even look at this. Travis is going crazy for the Cadbury Oreo. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to tell you a few little things that are really, really good. So you've got a Bounty bar, which is amazing. It's got coconut in it. You've got Maltesers, you can actually get those in the States. You've got Aeros, which are really good. Oh my gosh, fruit pastels are life. Orange chocolate milk, oh so good. Yeah, you know it's legit when they have that on it. Wine gums, Quality Street. I mean, all of this stuff is so, so good. They have Ribena. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite ever. Prawn cocktail is the best. Oh, get me out of here. I just love everything. Okay, so the other great thing is you can get like all different Indian stuff that in really, really large quantities. Okay, so now we're gonna order some food. You can get all of the sweets and the treats here as well. I can't eat any of this at the moment. Hi. Do you have anything that's vegan?
Yes, this one is the vegan.
Okay.
And this one is the vegan.
Okay.
This one is the vegan, and this one is the vegan for all vegan.
Alright, so what we're gonna do you know what you want, Travis? Okay, what do you want? Oh, let me just do Travis's first. He's gonna get tikka masala. I just got my nails done. I did like all different color pinks. I wanted these Chanel nails, but they were like, yeah, we can do it. And then last minute they said they couldn't do it, so I was kind of bummed about that. I just picked up my ring, the cleaners, so I'm very, very happy. We are at South Coast Plaza, and baby is finally asleep. Oh, I've got to look and see what level it is. I don't see it on here. Oh my gosh, this store is everything. Like all the pink in the windows. What I want my closet to look like. I had a really bad nightmare the other day about an elevator. And that I was stuck in it.
This is a nice class elevator.
Oh, right.
I'm not even kidding.
What sugar for you? Here. Put you on that thing, you can try it.
Doesn't have to end. Can we be friends?
Okay, so day 2. We are now going to be on our way to somebody that my mum works with, and we're going to do a little business meeting for her. And after that we're going to go and do a little bit of shopping. We got to go to Santee Alley and do a little bit of that stuff, and we'll have to see what we find. I'm excited to go down there though, because I've only been once, and it was to look for a dress, because I was more in like the fashion part where you could just go and like buy dresses there. Actually, I got my wedding dress, didn't I, down there?
Yep.
I got my wedding dress down there, and it was, but I got it, yeah, I got it in Koreatown, and it was the best dress ever.
Should.
Who?
Hi. Hello.
I got off the wires when I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I see you. I see you.
Wait, babe, what do you think of it?
The trucks are out on the road, and
So I got this one. It is a toasted marshmallow s'more macaroon. It's crazy because it's so huge. So we are going in the elevator. Amasai has this extremely... Wait, did we miss the elevator?
yeah.
They're going
So
up?
now we are sitting here, not going in the elevator.
There we go. Run. So we are at the Spectrum, and Amasai has the biggest hat on ever. It like starts up here. So it's because it just suddenly got cold. So we decided to get him a hat, and we got him one at, oh my goodness, Old Navy, and he was screaming because it was going over his eyes. So then we went to Urban Outfitters. I got some shoes. Travis didn't get anything.
I got nothing.
Amasai got a hat. Do you like your hat? Okay, so I'm getting my hair done before Hrush's class tomorrow. I have the amazing Nicole Ray. So what do you do? This is your secret talent.
I am a hairstylist, hair color, and extension specialist. And of course, everybody knows me from makeup, but I am a cosmetologist, 17 years, and I have my stable clientele of people for hair color extension.
So this is my first time having my hair done by Nicole, and every single time Nicole sees my hair, she's like, why don't you ask me to do it?
Yes!
And but this time I was like, okay, I'm having Nicole do it because I know she's the best, and you guys have to 100% book her, because the great thing about Nicole is she's like the most versatile person I've ever met. So you can have her come do your makeup, do your hair, she'll dye it, style it, and you will look like a changed person. I just had my hair done. I'm living for the color because it's exactly what I wanted, and I'm completely obsessed with how shiny it is. It feels amazing. She gave me a really needed trim.
Stay away from me. You keep haunting me.
Alright, we are on our way to Hrush's class. Baby was up in the night a lot, which made everything a little bit more stressful. I'm gonna get some water, get coffee, get sorted out. Travis is having the time of his life in the front. And that's what we're gonna do. Then we're gonna go to Hrush's class. Okay, so you guys are getting some amazing stuff. You're getting Biker Babe palette, Beverly Hills doll, Dream Oil, and Rose Metals. I keep forgetting. So Hrush's bags for her classes are the best ever. Close to that, so we'll see.
Used to like skate to this at the skating rink.
No, you did not.
Yeah, Rexing.
That is so bad.
What, did I know the word Rexing?
Yeah.
Like Joey was the best. Joey used to get in the middle of the floor and he was like 12.
No.
Start like dancing on his 4 wheels.
What was it? Roller skating?
Yeah, roller skating.
He is like, oot. I took a picture of my mum, my bridal shower, and actually I didn't take it, somebody else did.
Oh, that one.
Yes.
Oh.
Travis, what was her face like?
Huh? Pez dispenser in the background.
You better not be putting that on Instagram.
But of course she's late to her own. So I have to leave. We were going to stay for a little bit, but someone has some snacks. But you guys are so lucky, and thank you for sharing your gifts with the world. So yeah. This is her first date.
Okay, I am here with the incredible Hrush. She just did the best class ever, and you have to go to her class. It's amazing. That's Beauty Academy. We are at this place called, I don't know how you say it.
Cauldron?
Cauldron?
Coldering? Cold one?
Cold.
There you go. It's a beer.
Oh wait, or is it C-A-U-dron? Alright, we sound like idiots.
Alright, well, it's an ice cream place.
It's an ice cream place. We have never been before, but it's absolutely packed.
It is.
So. Yeah.
I think it's the conversation.
Stay away from me. You keep haunting me.
This is the Rose H2O. So it's a rose water ice cream, and it is in, what was it in? It's in a
Velvet.
puffle cone,
Velvet
but it's
puffle.
a red velvet puffle cone. That looks really good. I love that it's a rose, And then it has rose sugar on it too. It smells really, really good. Don't let my mom see that we're like all smelling the ice cream. Okay, this is the one that I got. It's Earl Grey and lavender. Looks super good. And then what did you get?
I got the Pineapple Express.
It's just pineapple? It's like Dole Whip from Disney. Yeah.
They say you're only young ones, but we live for it, we die for it, we live for forever. They say you're only young ones, but we live for it, we live for it, we live for forever.
So one thing we will say is that the line has been super long. Yeah, it's kind of annoying. So, but you're being very good. He looks like he has like a full-on mohawk. We are just waiting for the parade. Okay, not too much, Travis. God. This baby carrier has been a lifesaver on this trip. It's the Ergo baby carrier, and the great thing with it, you can have them on the front or the back, but it has these little straps here, so when they fall asleep, it just stops their head from tipping backwards. My back hasn't hurt at all, and he's like 25 pounds at least now, so it makes a huge difference.
No.
To our connecting flight, and now we are only an hour and a half away from home.